Hello everyone. Today 22 December we celebrate National Mathematics Day on the occasion of Srinivasa Ramanujan's birthday. Are you aware of Ramanujan's magic square? Along with that I will also show and explain my own magic square. First one important thing. This is not a comparison video. I am only following the technique used by Srinivasa Ramanujan to understand how a magic square is created. Let's begin. Compare the rows. Look at the first two rows. The sum is 139. On the right side, in my magic square, the sum is 122. Compare the rows. Again in the second row, the sum in Ramanujan square is 139 and in my magic square 122. Similarly, all the rows in Ramanujan square gives the same sum 139, whereas on the right side, in my magic square, all the rows sums are 122. Now let's compare the columns. Take the first column in the Ramanujan square. The sum is 139. Take the first column in my square, which is 122. Similarly, compare second, third and fourth column. We get exactly the same sum. Ramanujan square 139, my square 122. Next, let's compare the diagonals. Once again, the sums are exactly the same, 139 and 122. Let's compare centers, corners and opposite sides in a magic square. Take the middle squares, opposite sides and four corners to check whether the magic square still works or not. First take middle four elements. The sum is 139 and in my magic square it is 122. Now let's compare opposite sides, either up and down or right and left. The sum remains same, which is 139. Similarly, in my magic square also it is 122. Now sum the corners, take four elements, which is 139, and in the right take four elements, the sum is 122. Now compare the 2 cross 2 squares. In Ramanujan square, take the top left, add all the elements, you get 139. Similarly, top right, which is 139, bottom left 139 and bottom right 139. In my magic square, take the top left, add all the elements, you get 122, top right 122, bottom left 122 and bottom right 122. Marvelous. The sum remains same. Ramanujan 139. For me it's 122. Is this surprising? Yes, it's look like the magic. But today I will show you that this magic is actually pure mathematics. The genius behind it is the person who is Indian mathematician Ramanujan. Ramanujan didn't guess the numbers randomly. He used algebra intelligently to decide where each number should go. Each box has a purpose, each position is planned. That is true mathematical thinking. Let's break it down. Consider the first row as ABCD. Use simple numbers like 1, 2, 3 for addition and subtraction. Let's analyze the first column. When you add all the elements from the first column, you can see there are two positive extra numbers with D and C and one negative number with B. Adding this, 1 plus 1 2 and minus 2 get cancelled and we get original value ABCD. Now let's compare row. Let's take the second row, add all the elements. You can see two positive numbers 1 and 3 we have extra, and negative numbers -1 and -3. 3 plus 1 4, and -3 -1 -4. 4 minus 4 get cancelled, and we get original value once again. Now let's take diagonal. Let's take second diagonal from right to left. Add all the elements. You can see positive numbers, which is 2 and 1, which is 3, and negative number -3. 3 minus 3 get cancels, and we get original value A, B, C, D. Now let's analyze 2 cross 2 square. Take the mid values, add all the elements. As you can see, positive numbers 2 and 2 gives 4, and negative numbers -3 and -1 gives -4, which gets cancels, and we get A, B, C, D. As you can see, the sum remains same for column, row, diagonal, and 2 cross 2 square. All of them are just A, B, C, D, which is equal to original value. The numbers are adjusted in such a way that positive and negative values cancel each other. That's it. Instead of just saying, wow, Ramanujan was great, let us ask a better question. How can we make our own magic square? Because mathematics is not only about admiration, it's about logic and understanding. Thank you. I hope you can create your own magic square now.